10. Already done like this problem, but once again I'll do it. Problem number 10. Okay. What they got problem 10? The existing capital structure of ABC Limited was as follows. The given equity share 100 rupees each, 60 lakhs given. Retained earnings is given. 9% preference share capital is given. 7% debentures is given. Etc. The company earns 12% on its capital. We already done like this sum. Once again, I'll show you two problem I have done. Return is EBIT 12% given. Income tax rate is 30%. The company want to raise 37,50,000 for its expansion. Apart from that, old capital company want to raise 37,50,000 for expansion project. The following alternatives available. Here also A, B, C is given. Three alternatives given. How? So issue of 30,000 equity shares at a premium of rupees 25 per share means 100 rupees plus 25 means 30,000 to 25, or you can do separately 30,000 to 100. Last form done now. Again share premium 30,000 to 25. I have to do. There are 37.5 lakh rupees, or issue of 10% preferences. They raise 37 lakh rupees how much? By paying 10% dividend, or 7% debentures of rupees 27 lakh 50,000. Extra given. 9% debentures given. Okay. And projected price earning ratio is given. Price earning ratio 20 rupees, 70 rupees, 60 rupees is given in the question. We have written last similar problem. Calculate earning per share and market price per share. So this is similar to 7 and 8 problems. Okay, first analysis table. But in the examination you have to do, this is second point, analysis table. Here do leave some space. First you have to do EPS always. Analysis table. Particulars. Plan A they given. Plan B like this they given. Plan C. In place of they given. Plan A, B, C. Or you can add 1, 2, 3. For raising 37,50,000, no, they will rise like this. First, you have to take old as usual. Old equity share capital. Equity share capital 60 lakhs is common for all three plans. Then they given retained earnings. Retained earnings. They given 15 lakhs is common for all the plans. Then you have 9% preference share capital given. In the question, 37,50,000 common for all. Then they given 7% debentures. 7% debentures they given. Then 37,50,000. So this is old capital structure. Now what they given? New. The company want to raise another 37,50,000. We have three plans. What they given? New equity shares of rupees 100 each given. Face value is 100 each. Equity shares. Under that, what they giving the question? First point A, point C. Company want to raise 37,50,000. How? First A point, C A point. Number 1. Issue of 30,000 equity shares equity shares, 30,000 equity shares of rupees 100 is premium 25 they given. Don't take 100 25 here. First take face to 100 each. So 30 lakhs. First plan. ये plan ये important. Then share premium. Share premium 30,000 into 25 rupees. They given no that you have to show separately. Premium 25. So 30,000 to 25, 7,50,000. Total it comes 37,50,000. Plan A. Plan B, what they given? B point you see, 9% preference share capital. This new preference share capital. B dash 37,50,000 dash because they given B. Then C point what they given is a new capital 9% issue of 9% debentures. Dash C point how much 37 lakh enter. The company want to raise 37,50,000 no enter the issue by paying 9% interest to debenture holders. C point add you will get total capitalization. Total capitalization see have to add all this total capitalization 60 old 60 70 75 plus 3750 excuse me 75 lakhs 75 these two 75 lakhs plus 80 75 80 90 lakhs plus 60 lakh 90 plus 60 1 lakh 50 1 lakh 50 1 lakh 50 1 lakh 80 7,500 56 70 80 1 lakh 1 crore yeah 1 87,000 1 15 lakh this is 60 lakh 22 75 lakhs 75 80 90 lakhs 90 plus 60 1 crore 50 lakhs 1 crore 50 lakhs plus 37 lakh 50,000 37 lakh 50,000 so 18 crore 75 lakhs 18 crore 75 lakhs this is C 18 crore 75 lakhs 75 lakhs here is 18 crore 75 lakhs 18 crore 75 lakhs this is total capitalization understand on this total capitalization you have to calculate EBIT at 12%. Now okay so number of equity shares we want number of equity shares. Now for calculate number of equity shares you will see only equities here old equity number 60 lakh plus see here new equity 30 lakh see only equity 60 per plus 30 90 lakhs first plan over here. B old equity 60 lakh common new equity nothing 60 lakh only. C old 60 lakh no new 60 lakh So divide number of face value per share 100 rupees. Divide 100. 2 get cancelled. So 60,000 shares. Here also 60,000 shares. 20 will get cancelled. Here 90,000 shares. 20 will get cancelled. This is number of shares. See now, after knowing all these number of shares, so we have to calculate EPS. Calculation of EPS, earning per share. Put a calculator ready ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. Earning per share. This is first calculation of earning per share. So we have three plans: A, B, C. 30 plus. First you have to take EBIT. They give a return on investment, return at 12%. 12% on what? On this total capitalization. Say 18,75,000. 18,75,000 into 12 divided by 100.
2,25,000.
So 18,75,000 to 12 divided 100. Correct? 2,25,000. Wait. 2,25,000. EBIT is common. My Puchu data is helping. Small data. Okay. Less I. Interest on debentures. See here. We have to calculate two types of interest here. Here, see, old. Interest on debentures 7% on this, all three interest. And also calculate new interest also, last plan. See, 9%, 7% debentures. So, old, if you want, this is old. 3 lakhs 30, how much? 37,50,000 into what percent? 7 divided by 100. Interest on debentures. 37,50,000 into 7 divided 100. So 2,62,500. 2,62,500. 2,62,500. But the third plan, no, this is new. We have to add. So 2,62,500 plus new interest. New, see here. I like that. Here new, see new. This is old. Common for all. New interest. Which plan? First plan and second plan. 37 lakh. How much? 37,50,000 into what percent? 9%. 9 divided 100. 37,50,000 to 9 divided 100. So 3,37,500. 3,37,500. So add and write in last column. So 6 lakh. Total interest how much? 6 lakh. Correct photo? 2 lakhs is ಇದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಮಾಡಿ. You do once again calculation. 18,75,000. 18 crore 75 lakhs. 18 crore 75 lakhs here. That's what I had. 18 crore 75 lakhs. See, 18 crore 75 lakhs. 18 crore 75 lakhs. 18 crore 75 lakhs into 12 divided 100, 22 lakh, 2 crore 25 lakhs. Yeah, 2 crore 25 lakhs. 2 crores 25 lakhs.
22 crores, 5 lakh.
Oh,
22 crores, 5 lakh.
22 crore. 22 crore. 2 crore 25 lakhs. 2 crore 25 lakhs. 2 crore 25 lakhs. 2 crore, correct, 25 lakhs. 2 crore 25 lakhs. See, right? 2 crore 25 lakhs. See, zeros. My board is, you calculate 2 crore 25 lakhs. Okay. Let's, okay, 6 lakh now, correct. Okay. Now deduct interest. You will get 2 crore 25 lakhs. 2 crore 25 lakhs minus 2 lakh 62,500. 2 lakh 62,500. So 2 crore 22 lakh 37,500. 2 crore 22 lakh 37,500. Again, that also same. 2 crore 22 lakhs. Correct, ma? 37,500. Then 2 crore 25 lakh minus 6 lakh. 2 crore 25 lakhs minus 6 lakh. 21 lakh, 2 crore 19 lakhs. 2 crores 19 lakhs. If 1 0 miss means very difficult. Okay. This is called EBT, earning before tax. Then less tax. So remember here preference share capital is there. I have to calculate dividend, but I don't have space. 37 lakh 15. What percent? 9% preference. Remember, na? 9% preference. 37. Okay, later. Okay, EBT less T tax at the rate of 50%. Half of this. 50%. Divide this by 2. 2 crore 22 lakh 37,500 divided by 2. 50 divided 100 means divided by 2. Divide 2. 50% divide 2. Half means half now. Divide 2. 1 lakh, 1 crore, 11 lakh, 18, 1 crore, 11 lakh. 1 crore, 11 lakh, 18,750. 1 crore, 11 lakh, 18,750. This, half of this. 2 lakh 19, 2 crore, 219 divided by 2 crore 19 lakh divided by 2 means 50%. 50 divided by 2. So 1 crore 9 lakh 50,000. 1 crore 9 lakh 50,000. 1 crore 9 lakh 50,000. Okay. Deduct. You will get EAT, earning after tax. Same. This minus this. This minus this 1 lakh. 1 crore. 1 crore 11 lakh 80,050. Here also this minus this. 1 crore 11 lakhs 18,050. This one is same. 1 crore 9 lakh 50,000. This is called EAT. Less preference dividend. Preference dividend. See here also, we have to calculate 2 types of dividend. Preference dividend. See here. See, preference dividend. You want this is old preference share capital. See, given in the question, analysis table. Preference share 9% preference share capital given now. 9% preference share capital 37 lakh 50,000 old. 37 lakh 50,000 into 9 divided by 100. So 3 lakh 33 lakh 3 lakh 37 wrong one that is do it 37 lakh 50,000 into 9 divided 100 3 lakh 37,500 3 lakh 37,500 so here 3 lakh 37,500 here 3 lakh 37,500 B plan C plan don't write 3 lakh 37,500 right in the column you have to write new dividend how no here see 9% 10% preferences that is 10% preferences new 10% preferences see here 10% preference how much 37 lakh 50,000 37 lakh 50,000 37 lakh 50,000 into 10 divided 100 so 3,75,000 this is total dividend 7,12,500 7,12,500 you write in C column because of preference share capital is given C column B C one yeah. Okay so after that you will get earnings available to equity shareholders earnings available to equity share holders this minus this 1 crore 11 lakh 18,750 minus 3 lakh 37,500 so 1 crore 78,000 1 crore 78,000 1250 okay 10 crore 78,000 1,250 next here also 10 crore 78,000 1,250 10 crore 78 lakh 1,250 okay next 1 crore 9 lakh 50,000 minus this means 10 23 7,500 10 lakh 23,000 7,500 okay 10 lakh 23 10 crore 23 lakh 7,500 okay this is called earning availability equity so therefore EPS equals earning available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares so this divided by number of equity shares your number of equity shares 90,000 shares first one so again second one 10 crore 78 1,250 something like divided by 60,000 crores sorry 60,000 shares again 10 crore 23 lakh 7,500 divided by 60,000 so maybe calculation mistake you do take calculate but process is same mistake is there miss so EPS equals this divided this one 119.79 here 1 crore 78 lakh 1,250 so 179.68 next 750 divided by 60,000 7,500, no? So, this divide is 170.62. See, this is called EPS, earning per share. Now, apart from earning per share, calculate market price per share. See, market price per share, they given price earning ratio. Price earning ratio. Price earning ratio is given. They given in the question price earning ratio 20 rupees, 17 rupees, and 16 rupees. This is exercise problem. They given. Then market price per share equals EPS into price earning ratio. It's very simple. EPS, this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. 119.79 into 20. So 2395. 2395.80. Next, this into this. 3050.56 market price per share. 170.62 into 16. 2729. 2729.92. Okay. See, this is market price per share. And EPS suggestion, if they ask which plan should be preferred, according to EPS, which is highest? This plan B. So plan B should be suggested for financing because its EPS is greater than other two financial plans. And here compare market price of share. Really, it is applicable to the industry companies which sell their shares more than the face value. For example, Infosys company, Dell company, Wipro company, who invested money 30 years back, 50 years, 40 years back, the sum of rupees 100 rupees one share, definitely the share value is it's there. Not only that company, various company, one share who invested 100 rupees those days, now share value is 2395.80 per share. Maybe it's there because inflation, profit earning, etc. This is called the problem number 10. Then problem number 11. After understanding this all, the last problem, problem number 11. Problem number 11. See here, problem number 11. You see all students. You only do it this because this is similar to just we did know. Similar to problem number 10. You only do it in home. You write in notes and you write in assignment also, blue book also. Problem number 11. Okay. See you guys. See, remember, my internet is over. I am taking the other student help also. My internet is exhausted. I recharge 2-3 times. I don't know how to convert from video to YouTube. So, lot of internet is exhausted. I spend lot of money. Leave it. What is that? Okay, my duty I have to discuss sincerely. I have to fulfill students' wants. Okay, see you guys. Problem number 11. Going home. Okay.